worship you, my Lord. Guys, here I go born Spider Woman. This one a true definition of Spider Woman. Huh? So you wanna climb there? When you fall, you wanna cry. I must be the one to comfort you. God forbid. Please, my friend, remove your leg. Good morning, family. Not good morning because look morning. So hello, hi, wherever you are around the world. I welcome you guys to yet another vlog, and I hope you enjoy. But most importantly, to my new subscribers, and to my old subscribers, welcome back. I'm so grateful for you guys, the support that you guys are showing me. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you, Nje. Really super thanks, Gadibona. Thank you very much, my people, and to anyone who is watching outside our YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing and being a part of us, because you get notified every time when I post a video, sit down, or a vlog. And we only have 4 commandments on my channel. Right now we are here to learn. Ooh, the sun is shining on my face. We're here to learn to live and to love. And please do not skip ads. Don't skip ads. I hope you're all doing okay. You know what I realized, guys? Because you know what I realized, guys? Antatile, how do you show to my mama? Every morning, one of my vaccines. Good morning. You, the sun. Good weather in. I can see for June or August or September, but Leona I show guys. So it's cloudy at the same time, at the same time it's windy, cold. I don't understand this weather. It could flu. So next I have realized something. We are all uh you know, we are all carrying something on our shoulders, and it doesn't matter if you are working or you're not working, you are a single parent or you're not a single parent, you are in a relationship or you're not in a relationship, you are married or you're divorced, ne? Everyone, each and every one of us is going through something. And please be kind to people. Like, everyone is going through something. You guys are everyone is going through something, guys. Like, believe it. Whether a person is driving and when from a far over no car, no man perfect. I know perfect. Whether when you're struggling to have a child and burgele on when because it means her life is perfect. Whether you couldn't and your peers are getting married, and when you're getting married and you think their life is okay. I don't know more life really okay. As long as really come fast as long as we are all going through something, rich or poor, broke or what, like we are all going through something. So please, Batobak, le ska ya ko ntle la ntlhaza gape le tse gore lena le representa nna le nna ke representa lena nka no re ke tswa tseleng mo bophelong ba le botsa ba re yo shatadi wa lena ba tlo bolela so ba re shatadi wa lena o dia so le lena le ska mphoqa gape ba ka tla ba go nna ba re yo di-subscriber tsa gago di dira so guys, please be kind to people. Just be kind. Being kind to people doesn't even take anything from you, because sometimes you treat her to come hold but treat honey they're going through whatever they're going through, and maybe you're making it worse. Maybe you are validating or maybe motho tla ipotsa vele gore na batho ba ban rata, and wena o mo treata ka mokgwa mo treatang, and o validated that thing ya gore batho ba ban rata, and you guys can create deeper depressions than what people are going through. So be kind to people. Just say hi with a smile. You'll be making someone's day unaware or aware, but just be kind to the world. Be kind to people. The comments that you utter from your mouth. Hey, my friend, please get away from there. You fall. This child now. Guys, here I go born Spider Woman. This one a true definition of Spider Woman. So you wanna climb there? When you fall, you wanna cry. I must be the one to comfort you. God forbid. Please, my friend, remove your leg. Aye. Remove your leg from there. Hey. Wonder shall never end. Begin. So this begin want to fall. After falling, you will cry. After crying, I will be the one who comforts you. Begin. My begin. Mama, please respect yourself, my girl. Respect yourself. Respect your age. Respect your height. Respect. You are limited. Your strength is limited for now. Please, stay at your level. Don't try to complicate life. See, now you are touching what? Please, next thing you are eating. My friend, respect your health, your hygiene. Take care of your body. You live once. Mama? Take care of your body, you eat this one. And then you mess up your health. Slender girl. Small top. Hey, this one now go have ears, so my friend. So sometimes you utter negative comments, depression, like some things when you say them to people or about people or to people, they're not really necessary. Like some things are not really in your, like it's not I get to give baby. I want to mohola or utlo go motho re tlhakana le ena o nonne o tile your skin like guys, please, people are going through a lot as it is now. As it is, people are going through a lot. Ganjo le reng ka lefa di microphone ka o tika o tiba le lebeletse mo le nna nka se tshepe ke re batho ba gore ba ya through this really. So just be kind to people and like cut your mouth. Batho ba bangwe ba no bolela kore ka re metsi a miela elela kore ba no bolela a gone break ba no bolela kore you don't even think gore ntho e tloa mo molomong wa ke tlo swara jang ngwana mong. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Le ge ke tswelela so le mpona gore go tile, like please, some people want to gain weight but they can't. You know how painful it is to have no control or zero control over your body gain and weight. Some people are overweight according by you. You don't know gore na ba zamile eng ga kae gore motlhong ba fokotse weight ba le moya. Some people are really struggling with the skin tone. Like they're struggling with pigmentation, they're struggling with a lot of things. You don't know how they tried, or even you don't know gore na ba tlhaetsa ko kae gore ba fitlhelle ntho ba nyaka. Maybe some people who have this skin problem, they need to see dermatologists, they need very expensive products. You don't know financially hore na batho ba o ba eme ko kae, ke eng se se ba shitishang gore motho a ba a fitlhelle gore a be le a clear skin. Nobody wants to be the way they are. I'm 100% sure o mongwe la ka ntho e nngwe. You know, this other day I was talking with my friend. My friend, are you like ke lla ka maoto a ka ke a makoto ka le nna ke lla ka aka mola maotong a ka ke a masize, and for now it doesn't balance with my body. So I know like everyone is crying about something, but we have no control over. We are just learning how to live with them. So when you guys pinpoint them, you always remind us, konje when you have skinny legs and a big body, konje when you have big legs with a skinny body, when you have a skin problem, when you can make kids, when you're not married. Guys, please refrain from this. I'm just telling you guys as my subscribers because I love you guys and I know you represent me well. And as long as lena kgathalelang bana ba bangwe ka mokgwa le kgathalelang your health, eating healthy and exercising, kgathalela emotional well-being ya bana ba bangwe, and o kwešiše gore ge o fetša go lela le boikhutšo ka morago ga moo yena o tlo tekwa jwang, like the impact you make mo bophelong ba boikhutšo, even though you're not inspiring her in any way. Oh my friend, this one will fall. Hey guys, it's okay, let me see you the other time, because this one, she will land me in hospital. I'll be in hospital corridors waiting for her to be attended because I just watched her fall. Guys, okay, born bikini at your own risk. jwale a re apeyeng cabbage bo my person re tšhela oile nyane senyentšhi ka re fra di-chips a kere na pele ra frya green pepper onion le carrot pele ga ge re tlo tšhela cabbage ga e apeiwe ka metsi nne se ke go phethela moya fele ba re lo je dijo tse di boiled mara ge e le gore o apeela bothata ngwana mma ko apea cabbage ka metsi le tlo ntshegetša ka ditšhaba lena le pela wa ke chopile cabbage yaka ke tlo e tšhela gona ka moene stofo sa gago gore o tlo o ikgone cabbage e butswe se nyaka se se ko 6 se se ko 5 se se ko 7 se le ko bo 4 3 2 1 se le medium to low heat gore o fe cabbage ya gago sebaka sa gore e ntšhe metsi ka bo yone e na le metsi yona naturally e tlo e butswiša wa bona gore e botsana jwang cabbage yaka wa e bona gore e ka ya photoshoot a ona metsi ke makhura le stoffa sa medium to low na pele wa tšhela your salt ka mokgwa o nyakang ka gona you are good to go ngwana mma you are good to go gore nna ditšhabeng ke tlhomphege ke be mme yo a tlhomphegang ka baka la lena okay mo we woke up in a tent ya tada re ile kerekeng ya saeteng ya bo mamaka my mom o goletše ka mogare ga kereke ya St John Apostolic Church and then yena ka kerekeng ya Sion o išitše ke lenyalo so nna time and again when I feel free mo moyeng wa ka ke visita kereke ya bo mamaka because one thing I've learned is mangelo a rena a moka and ba bangwe a re nyaka gore ba feel left out. And then for breakfast we had motepa wa ting yo motepa o be o le nice so I had to change dikobo tše ke letšeng ka tšona re letše ke be le mo ke gore ke ba ebitša gore ke mokete ngwaga ka ngwaga ka September or any date ba ka choosang towards the end of the year ba dira mokete or maybe ke September yeah ba tshela selemo something like that ke September and then re halala o shego re halala re tsene kereke na pele motshegare le gona ka Sontaga go adiwa tše di diwang so outfit ke ya pereng ke letšeng ka yona mo o shego so ne ke re ke itlhobole le nna ke lokologe ke tsenele ke moya ke tlhobole dijase kore ke di apara gabotse na ke re mothetho wa kereke ye gabotse ke tukwane tšhweu so ye re dikeletše ka yona mara ka no re e tšhweu ke tla e apara forogo mo gona be ke opela le diphala bana bešo ke ntše ke betha molandu ke be ke yo a diphala kore na I enjoy this church very much as much as I enjoy kereke ye ke e tsenang le ya bo mama ka ke a enjoy and ke ya bo mama kere e ke ya bokoko ke ya boragolo so nna a ke tlo ya abandon and nna I'm not ashamed of anything I'm not doing anything bad akere I'm not doing anything bad all I'm doing ke go kgotsofatša bagešo gore le bona tšešenong ge ba nnyake ka mogare ga kereke a nkhwetše kare one thing for sure they're still here ke mangelo a ka ke tsamayang lona ka mehla le mehla they're still here jwale tšatši le lengwe nke le kgotsofatše mangelo a bolena le eteleng dikereke tša bokoko a lena le boragolo a lena o se ka hwetša motho a rawa nna ke tsena kereke te fela e ka re kereke e go fopita go etela kereke nngwe kereke tše ka moka ke tša modimo ga ona ye re ka reng e ke ya nnete ye ke ya maka kereke tše ka moka ke ya modimo and as long as wena mo kerekeng o fola moyeng o ka no ya yo phetha ditaelo tša gona wa boya wa continue ka kereke ya geno a go bolae ngwana lekgowa a o senyetše motho o thakgatša mangiloi o bula tša gago o balansa di-equation. We worship you my Lord. Hey. You you very much for watching Batobaka. Stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm going to have a very massive weekend and I'm going to take you guys along. I love each and every one of you, and until next time, bye.